Hello everyone, my name is Olivia, and today I'm here to talk to you all about HIV transmission. I am going to be talking a little faster just because we only have 7 minutes together, and in that 7 minutes, if you need to grab some water, use the restroom, just take a little breather outside, the door to my left is where you will be able to find all that. So let's jump right in. I am also a college student. I'm an undergrad at ASU, and I study biomedical sciences, and actually right now I am doing a public health thesis in Costa Rica. So all that being said, I do care about public health. I'm here today because I care about your sexual health. And again, with that being said, let's just jump right into it. 7 minutes is not long and we have a lot of information to cover, but it is easy to remember with this call of action. And it goes like this: 5, 4, 3, protect yourself from HIV. 5, 4, 3, protect yourself and your loved ones from HIV. So let's start with the 5, and those are our 5 fluids. Our 5 fluids are ejaculation, pre-ejaculation, vaginal secretion, blood, and breast milk. The first 4 I think would pertain to most of us, not saying that maybe someone is or is not pregnant in this room, and if that is the case, there is time for questions at the end of this, but I am going, since we only have 7 minutes, going to be focusing on those 4 that will pertain to everyone in this room. So ejaculation, pre-ejaculation, and these are 2 different things. Pre-ejaculation is what comes before ejaculation. So doing the pull-out method, if that is a choice of birth control for some, which we'll go over that later, but pre-ejaculation is different from ejaculation, so that is a mode of that is a way for HIV to be transmitted, one of the 5 fluids. Okay, so ejaculation, pre-ejaculation, blood, breast milk, vaginal secretion. 5 fluids, now we're at the 4 doors. 4 doors are tip of the penis, vagina, anus, and an open wound. So if any of those 5 fluids enter any of these 4 doors, any of these 5 fluids from a person living with HIV enter these 4 doors, that would lead to the transmission of HIV. That's why we need barriers, which we will be talking about HIV prevention in the next video or a little later on. So 5 fluids: pre-ejaculation, ejaculation, vaginal secretion, blood, breast milk. 4 doors: vagina, tip of the penis, anus, and an open wound. 5, 4, 3, protect yourself and your loved ones from HIV. Now we're moving on to the 3 modes of transmission. Those 3 modes are, they are unprotected sex, mother to child, and blood to blood. So unprotected sex could allow really any of those 5 fluids to any of those 4 doors, which is the most common way HIV is transmitted from someone living with HIV to someone who is not. So unprotected sex could let those 5 fluids into those 4 doors. Mother to child is blood, breast milk, into any of the 4 doors being an open wound. Really, when you're birthing a child, open wounds in the baby's mouth when you're breastfeeding. But again, if anyone wants to go deeper into that, we can go over that a little later, just because again, there's only 7 minutes. I want to stick to what is really going to pertain to us. And yeah, okay, so we have unprotected sex, mother to child. 3rd door is blood to blood. So we're not one of those fluids, blood. The door would be an open wound. Mode of transportation is blood to blood. Someone living with HIV shares blood into someone not living with HIV's open wound. Now HIV is transmitted through blood to blood. So with all that being said, there is no cure to HIV anywhere in the world, but it is 100% preventable. Let's all say it together, our call of action, so it really sticks in our heads. 5, 4, 3, protect yourself and your loved ones from HIV. thank you for sharing this time with me and listening to me. I know you guys are college students just as I, and we are busy, things back to back, but health is wealth, and it's definitely a priority, us being in school. Being independent, this is a new chapter in a lot of our lives, and educating ourselves and keeping ourselves healthy is very important. So again, thank you for listening to me. I hope you share this knowledge with your loved ones in order for them to protect themselves as well. And now I'm going to open up the floor to any questions you all may have.